everyone, good morning, and today I have brought you all to my garden. So my garden is full of various angiosperms, and by angiosperms I mean the flowering plants. And one such flowering plant is this hibiscus plant over here. And I have actually come to show you something really peculiar, and that is actually about this hibiscus flower. So you can see this flower. So where the stamen and the stigma should have been, you can see there are some petal-like outgrowths. And this is not the common or the usual structure of what an hibiscus flower should be. So over here, the stamen, that is the male reproductive part of a flower, the stamen should have been here along with the top part of the female reproductive part, which is the pistil or carpel. The stigma should have been here, but we can see that instead of the stigma and the stamen being visible, there are these flower-like outgrowths, petals rather. The reason behind it is because of a process known as
Homeosis.
in which what happens is that the flowering organs, different flowering organs, they, instead of being what they are, they transform into another flowering organ. Means over here, when it should have been a stigma or a stamen, it has become a petal. That is because of homogenesis. And you can say it's kind of a mutation that happens in these flowering plants. So over here, as you can see, these petal-like outgrowths, they have come out of the stigma, which is the top part of the pistil, and the stamen is over here. These red bulging parts, these are the stamen, and the yellow colored part of these outgrowths, you can see this is the anther, and these yellow balls, you can see these are all the tiny pollen grains. So we know how reproduction in flowering plants occur. So basically the pollen grain from the anther, they travel to the stigma, and from the stigma they go through the style into the ovary, where they meet with the ovules present in the ovary, and they fertilize, they turn into zygote, and then over the process it turns into the flower, the ovary turns into fruit, and the ovules turn into seed. So that is how reproduction in flowering plants occurs. So over here, the red part, as you can see, these filaments, and these are the anther, they together form the stamen. So over here, these petal-like outgrowths are happening, and that is because of the process homeosis that I already told you. So I was lucky enough to show you this phenomena, the double flower phenomena that has happened here in this hibiscus. And this is something new that I have also seen, and hope you all also got to know something new. There are various colors of hibiscus flowers available, such as in my garden only you can see there are many kinds of colors. There's a peach colored hibiscus, there's a pink colored hibiscus, light pink, then this is a red colored hibiscus, and there are many colored hibiscus found all over the world. And over here, this is another hibiscus hibiscus plant, and there you can see is a hibiscus bud, and it is yet to bloom. So with this, I hope you all got to know something new. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe my channel.